What is de jure segregation? Have you ever wondered how laws can shape the way society functions? Today, we are going to talk about de jure segregation, a concept that illustrates the power of legal systems in creating social divides. De jure segregation refers to the legal separation of groups based on characteristics like race, gender, or religion. This type of segregation is enforced by laws and regulations, making it a formal practice recognized by the government. The term de jure comes from Latin, meaning according to the law. This shows that de jure segregation is not just a social norm, it is backed by legal authority. Historically, de jure segregation has been used to maintain social hierarchies. In the United States, Jim Crow laws enforced racial segregation in the South until the Civil Rights Movement. These laws created separate facilities for Black and white individuals, impacting education, transportation, and public spaces. Similarly, Apartheid in South Africa was a system of de jure segregation based on race, where laws enforced strict racial divisions. In Nazi Germany, religious segregation was legally mandated during the Holocaust. Even today, in some countries like Saudi Arabia, gender segregation is enforced by law. From an anthropological viewpoint, de jure segregation shows how legal systems can reinforce social inequalities. It highlights how societal norms and power structures can be codified into law, affecting social interactions and opportunities. The effects of de jure segregation are visible in various aspects of life, including education, housing, and employment for marginalized groups. In the context of Brownv Board of Education, a landmark case in the United States, de jure segregation played a key role. This case challenged the legality of racial segregation in public schools. The Supreme Court ultimately ruled that segregation in public education was unconstitutional. This decision marked a significant step towards dismantling de jure segregation in the United States. It reflected broader societal changes as communities began to move towards more inclusive legal frameworks. Understanding de jure segregation is important for analyzing how legal systems can shape societal norms. It shows the relationship between law, culture, and power in forming social structures. By examining these connections, we can better understand the ongoing impacts of segregation and the journey toward equality.